Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your Sony ZV-E10 II to Creators Cloud. So first of all, you're gonna need to pair your camera with your smartphone, and if you don't know how to do that, you're highly welcome to check out our video titled How to Pair Sony ZV-E10 II with Phone Using Bluetooth, or How to Connect Sony ZV-E10 II to Creators app. Both of these videos will explain everything to you step by step. After you are paired with your camera in this application, we're gonna have to tap on this icon and create a new profile. Well, basically all you have to do is just sign in to any of your accounts, and after you have signed in to your Sony account, you're gonna have to connect with your camera. So just switch it on, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled so that the camera can be found, and once it is found, let's select cloud function. So to select cloud function, you're gonna have to tap right here, then tap to settings screen, then tap start settings. And now what we're gonna need to do is set up the camera's Wi-Fi, link the camera with the cloud, and cloud upload settings. So to set up the camera's Wi-Fi, we're gonna have to press menu on the camera, then use left D-pad key to navigate to the sidebar, scroll down to network menu. Here in the network, we're gonna have to scroll down to Wi-Fi, and then in order to enable Wi-Fi, we're gonna have to add one Wi-Fi network, so the access point, to scroll down to access point set, click OK, wait until the Wi-Fi network is found. Now select your Wi-Fi network from the list, click OK, and then click OK once again, and use this virtual keyboard slash keypad to enter your Wi-Fi's password. Once you're done, you're gonna have to scroll down to OK button, then click OK once again, and wait until you are connected to your Wi-Fi network. Okay. Now select your menu, then go to Wi-Fi Connect, switch it on, wait until your camera is connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, and so right now let's tap setup Wi-Fi. Yes. Now hopefully the app will skip most of this because we already did that on the camera itself. Or let's just go back, let's start settings. Okay, let's just skip this step and then tap start linking. Now you're gonna have to wait a while. Okay, and so right now the camera is linked. We can go to settings, and now we can specify the images to upload, tap configure, and wait until the settings are set. Okay, and after that we'll be able to start uploading to the Creators Cloud. So this way we'll be able to store our media from the camera in the cloud storage. Tap finish settings, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.